Hello, today we will be creating a free virtual private server, VPS, using Google Cloud's free 3-month trial. We will go through 3 easy steps to get you on your way to 24/7 live streaming, or any other project that you need a cloud-based virtual machine for. The first step is to create a Google Cloud account to start the free trial. Secondly, we will create the virtual server and configure it by simply copy and pasting a script. Finally, we will access the server that is now configured with everything needed for you to get streaming right away. Let's start by going to cloud.google.com. Click the Get Started for Free button. Once loaded, select a country, then pick one of the options that best describes your needs for the project. Now agree to the terms of service and click Continue. Enter your phone number and click Send Code. You will receive a text with a verification code that you will need to enter and then click Verify. To finish the sign-up process, select your account type as business or individual, then fill in your payment details and click Start My Free Trial. Now you will be taken into the Google Cloud Console, but before creating a virtual server, a couple more questions will need to be answered. Select the appropriate answers for what brought you to Google Cloud, what are you interested in doing with Google Cloud, and what best describes your role. Then press Done. Close the Help box and click Skip for now on the Start with Website Hosting screen. From the menu on the left, hover the mouse over Compute Engine and select VM Instances. Click Enable on the Compute Engine API screen, and the VM Instances applet will appear after about a minute. From the VM Instances applet, we can now create the virtual server. Click on Create Instance at the top of the applet. First, change the location to US West 1, Oregon. This is one of the cheaper servers, and will keep the monthly price of the server sufficiently low enough to use the full 3 months of the trial. Scroll down and change the machine type to E2 Standard 4. Next, scroll further down to the Boot Disk section and click on Change. In the Boot Disk applet, select Ubuntu for the operating system, then Ubuntu 20.04 LTS for the version, and finally 20 for the size. Once done, click on Select. Now scroll all the way to the bottom and click Create. You will be taken back to the VM Instances applet. In the Instances section, click on SSH under the Connect column. A new window with a SSH console connection to the server will now open. Once the connection is established, go to the description of this video and click on the link to the configuration script. Press Ctrl A to select the whole script, then right-click and copy it. Now go back to the new window that was created with the SSH console connection. Right-click inside the SSH connection window and paste the script into it. The first thing the script will do is prompt you to set a password for the user account on the server. Type in a password and press Enter, then repeat. The rest of the script will run unattended, and will take about 10 minutes. During this time it will install RDP to allow for a remote connection. It will install and configure a Cinnamon desktop environment for Ubuntu, as well as installing software that could be useful for creating live streams. Once the script is complete, the server is fully set up and can be accessed via RDP. To get the IP address of the server, go back to the VM Instances applet, then scroll the instances list to the right until you can see the external IP address. Hover the mouse over the IP address, then click the copy icon to copy it. To access the server, in the Windows search bar or Run dialog type mstsc to launch the Remote Desktop Connection client. Paste the IP address in the Computer field, then click on Show Options. Enter your Google username in lowercase and check the Allow me to save credentials box, then click Connect. An Enter Credentials dialog will appear. Enter your password and check Remember Me before clicking OK. Congratulations! You are now connected to the virtual server. To make things easier, you can create shortcuts to the installed software by searching for it, and right-clicking the icon. After launching OBS Studio, you can use it just as you would on your home PC. This server can generally handle a 1080p stream at 20 fps using the following settings. However, if you find that the stream is laggy or buffering, then try lowering the FPS, frames per second, or the resolution. I hope this has helped you, and if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments. Have fun streaming!